Hello, and today we're just going to go over creating a new packaging group. For this tutorial, we're going to create a flat of cans. When you start up your BarSight account, we give you a couple defaults here, but these are just going to be 4-packs. So we want to create a packaging group that will contain 24 cans. So for this packaging group, I'm going to have 6 4-packs of the 473 milliliter cans. I'm going to call it that can by the can flat. Over here in items and group, inventory item, we're going to select the cans. See, it says type container when you select it. Every packaging group needs to have a container because it needs to know the volume that is consumed, which that's all set up in your inventory item. Quantity 24. Let's go can lid 24. You'll see can lids are listed as just a consumable because they're just an item. And let's go with a 4-pack can carrier. There's going to be 6 of them in this flat. You can add a couple more items if you want. Sometimes people want to track the cardboard flat or labels and whatever else you want to count in this group. We'll go over labels and label variations in another video. This is just a basic setup. The SKU multiplier over here, that's more just for reporting, setting up your pricing and whatnot if you require it. We'll go over that in another video. For now, we'll just leave it as 1 because that just starts to complicate things. Down here in product defaults, you can set up the default SKU, price, taxes, consumer deposit, which is the bottle deposit that the consumer pays at the end of the day, if it's visible, and the holdback that you may want to keep in stock for yourselves. We'll go over these items in another video. For now, we can just leave it blank. Click Save and Back. And now we have a can flat that will consume 11,352 milliliters of each batch that is added to. And that is how you set up a new packaging group.